How often do you use an electric motor? If you think you rarely use an electric motor, think again. Electric motors are used in many devices you use every day, including computer disk drives, air conditioning systems, fans, fridges, and electrically operated doors and windows. An electric motor works because a force can be exerted on a wire in a magnetic field when a current passes through the wire. This is known as the motor effect. An electric motor works because a force can be exerted on a wire in a magnetic field when a current passes through. So when current passes through the wire, force is exerted. So this is known as the motor effect. Now let's talk about the electric motor. The electric motor is designed to use the motor effect. This is a diagram of a simple electric motor. The simple motor in the diagram consists of a rectangular coil of insulated wire that is forced to rotate. The coil is connected via two metals or carbon brushes. So here are the carbon brushes. The carbon brushes connected to the battery. For your information, carbon brush is a graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon which conducts electricity and is very slippery. Therefore, this causes very little friction when it is in contact with the rotating commutator. When we talk about split ring commutator, so this is the split ring commutator. So if you can see here, there is a gap. So a split ring commutator reverses the current around the coil every half turn of the coil. The sides also swap over each half turn. Okay. If you look at this video, this simulation, you can see that it swaps over half rotation. Now, the green brush touches the purple commutator, and another half turn, the green brush is in contact with the darker commutator. The brushes press onto a metal split ring commutator fixed to the coil. So this is the coil, these are the commutator, and here should be the brushes. When a current is passed through the coil spins. Why is that? This is because a force acts on each side of the coil due to the motor effect. The force on one side is in the opposite direction to the force on the other side. The forces are in opposite direction.